Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with my audio or the video, please let me know, guys. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now, guys. Please let me know if you guys are able to listen to me properly or not. Please let me know, guys. Great, guys. Amazing, amazing. How are you guys? Is everybody all right? How are you guys? Is everybody all right? Great, guys. I'm also good. And I hope that you guys had an amazing day. Okay. So, could you guys let me know what have we studied in our previous days of classes? Could you guys let me know what have we studied in our previous day of classes, guys? Why's my hair sticking out? Like it's sticking out of my head itself. Okay. We studied about df.corr correlation matrix. That's great. We studied about heat maps. I gave you guys an assignment yesterday, right, guys? Could you guys let me know what was the assignment for our yesterday's class? Could you guys let me know what was our assignment for our yesterday's class, guys? Please let me know. Could you guys let me know what was our assignment for our yesterday's class, guys? Please let me know. So could you guys let me know what are the columns that you guys decided that by analyzing the heat map, what are the columns that should be eliminated? Could you guys let me know what are the columns that you guys figured out that we should be eliminating on the basis of like understanding the thing itself? RAD and tags have high correlation and also are inverse to our price, so they can be deleted from our data set. Mohammed, see, inverse relationships are good. Okay, inverse relationships are good. For example, RAD and tags have a high correlation in between them. Okay, but they have inverse relationships with the prices. In having inverse relationship with the prices is fine, but having two columns that have the same like have high correlations, that is not good. So instead of removing both of the columns, you have to plan on just removing one of them. Okay, do not remove both of them. Even having an inverse relationship is still a good relationship with price, so never remove both of them. You have to remove only one of them. Please do remember this, guys. Okay, do not just think about things in a very proper manner. Okay, tax, index, chas are the favorites to be removed. That's good, the Dishiraj. That's good. Okay, you are having either from RAD or tax, one of them should be removed. Nox chas has a correlation of 0.1, so chas can be excluded or removed. Nox and index have a correlation of 0.76, so index can be removed. RAD and tax have a correlation of 0.9, so tax can be removed. See, my basic understanding from this would be just remove Nox. Okay. So example, Nox and chas has a correlation of 0.9 and Nox and index has a correlation of 0.76. So just remove Nox. Removing just one of these columns will be able to solve the problem for both chas and index. Okay, and then between RAD and tax, depending upon where they are more relevant to and less interconnected with other columns, remove one of them. Okay, that would be my basic understanding itself. So think about these things. See, these things are going to make you guys a better data analyst at any particular point of time. think about things through properly, try to figure out patterns, try to figure out different kinds of relationships that are there. Okay, usually the threshold that you keep to understand whether you should remove a column or to keep a column should be around 0.85 and above. Okay, 0.85 and above itself. Okay, so think about it in a particular manner itself. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Okay, think about things in a proper manner, guys. It will be very helpful for you guys. Okay. Good, guys. Amazing. So, depending upon that, let me just, I think so very few people have joined us in today's classes. There's something that is going on today that I don't know about. Or has the messages not been sent to all the groups? Like, what is the say? Like, I don't know. You guys let me know. Call Manisha HR. Is there something that is currently having right over here that you guys got the message on WhatsApp groups, right? You guys got the message on WhatsApp groups? Please let me know. Manisha, just talk to Vishwajit Bhaiya as well and send all the messages to all the WhatsApp groups once again that the class has already started and we'll be taking up the attendance in a few minutes. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so let's get started with our class itself, guys. Let us open up the same. So what is the name of Collab? So we were using Collab itself. We're using the predict house price model. Let me open up the live chat on my mobile phone as well. Give me a second, guys. Let me open up the live chat on my mobile phone. Okay, so I've opened up the live chat on my mobile phone as well. And yeah, let's get started. So we'll just first connect with it and we'll just run most of the classes that are there. So let us run this. I think so we have covered up till here. Okay, so we have covered everything up till here, right? So we have done the heat map, we have done everything else. Let us make sure that we are able to see everything clearly as well. So heat map is already done. I gave you guys the access for the heat maps as well, right, guys? I've already given you guys the access to the heat map, guys. Please let me know. Did you guys receive the access to the heat map? Please let me know. Great, guys. The next particular thing that we are going to go is now that we have understood the relationship. Okay, what is the correlationship between the columns that are there? Okay, what is the correlationship with the columns that are there? Okay, this boot camp is going to be of 9 days, guys. I have already told you guys. If you're not familiar with it, I'm again telling you guys right now, this boot camp is going to be of 9 to 10 days. So pre-prepared for that itself. So right now what we're going to do is, along with the correlations, we want to see what kind of skewness is there with the data and the relationships itself. So what we have done right over here is, in this particular image, let me just download this image as well. Let me download it on our page and let me open it up as well for you guys. So this is the plotting. Okay, this is called as a pair plot. Okay, this is called as a pair plot, guys. So here we have plotted the data of every single column with the data of every other column that exists for us. Okay, as you're able to see right over here, if I zoom in a pretty much it itself. Okay, so these are the correlations that are there between all the columns like pairwise columns. Okay, just like we are having correlationship matrix, just like we were having our heat maps, wherein every single box was identified by a particular pair of columns. Okay, particular pair of problems itself. The same thing happens right over here. The same thing happens right over here, wherein we are plotting the data points of the columns, okay, of the columns that will be like on the x and the y axis. That is what we are doing right over here. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. In this particular way, every single plot, okay, here as you're able to see right over here, if I zoom in a bit more, okay, these plots, as you're able to see here, you are having index. Okay, are you guys able to see this index written right over here? Are you guys able to see this index written right over here, guys? Please let me know. So index, then CHAS, chas on the left hand side, then you're having NOx on the left hand side, and you're having RM on the left hand side, age on the left hand side, des on the left hand side, rad, tax, PT ratio, B, LSAT, price. And then on the bottom, you are having CRIM, crime, ZN, Indus, CHAS, NOx, RM, age, DIS, rad. Then you are having tax. Okay, PT ratio, B, LSAT, price on the bottom of the entire thing itself. So in this particular way, every single graph is a graph between prime. So this is a graph between price and C crime. So you are able to see from right over here that the lower the crime ratio, okay, the higher the chances of the price becoming high. Similar to that in ZN, the well distributed data that you are able to see right over here. So every single thing, okay, you will be able to explore the graph. So chas has like no effect on whether there is a particular river, Charles River, or not. So you are able to explore each of these graphs and try to understand a little bit more about the relationship between columns. All this that we are doing is to understand the relationships between columns, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. Right over here, whatever you guys are doing, you are trying to understand the relationship between columns. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. So this entire map that you are able to see, this entire plot that you are able to see is the plot like is a dot plot of all the columns with each other, okay, with each other. So if for example the column is having like a crime of 0 and the price is of like $100 million, then you are placing 1 point for that. Okay, now good question to ask is, why are some of the plots, okay, dot plots and some of the plots as like bar graphs itself? Okay, why is this happening? Okay, why are there bar graphs right over here? Okay, why are there bar graphs continuously right over here, and some of them are not bar graphs? Okay, so for example, right over here, this is a bar graph that is so thin that we are not able to analyze that it's a bar graph itself. But as we're able to see, so for example, price, when plotted with price, it is coming off as a bar graph. It is giving us a count plot itself, because plotting a graph wherein both the columns are price, okay, both the x-axis and the y-axis is price, makes no sense if you think about it. Okay, if there is like the x-axis is also price and the y-axis is also price, does that make any sense to you? Okay, does that plot has any sense to you? Okay, can you guys just try to understand this? If both on the x-axis as well as on the y-axis, I'm writing that, okay, this is also price, this is also price. Okay, does that make any sense to us? Okay, no, it does not make any sense. There's nothing that we are able to get from it. So in that particular case, wherein both the columns, okay, for example, this is also price and this is also price right over here, in that particular case, it gives you a count plot, it gives you a bar chart, guys. Then, okay, how many houses are there between the price point of 7.5 lakhs and 12.5 lakhs? Okay, how many houses? Okay, it gives you a counting of the number of houses, guys. It gives you the counting of number of houses that have a price in between the range of 12.5 and 7.5 lakhs. Okay, so that is what you're plotting right now. Okay, houses having a price of this much, how many houses are there? Houses having a price of 10 lakhs, how many houses are there, like that, and so on and so forth. So it is called as a count plot, guys. It is called as a count plot. And every single time whenever you are having a particular B2B, that means like you are having both the axes are the same columns, you are getting a count plot right over here, continuous count plots that you are getting right over here, guys. If you go up diagonally, all of these are count plots, okay, as you are able to see. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys today is not the last day of the bootcamp. This bootcamp is going to be of 9 to 10 days long, guys. Again, I'm explaining it to you guys. This bootcamp is going to be of 9 to 10 days long. Okay. So are you guys able to understand this right now? Please do let me know. This is an extremely important plot, guys. Extremely important plot. The describe method, okay, that we have learned about to understand statistics. Then we have learned about the pair plots that we did here right now, the heat maps that we done right now itself. So all this, okay, all these are extremely important topics to learn, okay, extremely important topics to use as well. Okay, that is the reason why I'm teaching you to you guys. If I wanted, I would have just jumped to machine learning, but this is very important, guys, very important. Okay, what is count plot? Okay, so basically what I'm explaining about count plot is how many items or how many counts of items are there having a particular x value. Okay, for example, bar graphs. Okay, bar graphs in like your think about it as histograms. Okay, almost everybody knows histograms, right? Almost everybody knows histograms. Please let me know. Almost everybody knows histograms, right or wrong? Please let me know. Histograms is something that you guys have studied in like your third and fourth standard. Like it is not something that you have studied right now. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth standard, you have studied histograms. So these basically are histograms itself. The bar charts that you are able to see right over here, these are nothing else but histograms. These are nothing else but histograms, guys. If you still don't know what histogram is, then I think so you should just revise your mathematics from third, fourth, fifth standard itself. Okay, so these are basically histograms for that particular column. Okay, histograms for that particular column itself. Okay, so for example, this is the column for price, so it will give you a histogram of price itself. It's a column for LSAT, it will give you a histogram of LSAT. It's a column of B, so it will give you a histogram of B. It gives you the frequency distribution itself. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. So how are these points plotted? So basically how you plot an XY axis. So we are having two data. Okay, in the X axis you are having, let's assume, price. On sorry, on the Y axis you are having price. On the X axis you are having LSAT. Okay, so you'll just keep all the values right over there. So if price is 14.4 lakh rupees and your LSAT is, let's assume, 10, then you will just be plotting. Okay, so LSAT pay 10 and then 14.4 for price, and you are putting 1 point right over there. As simple as that. Is X and Y axis, you are having two numbers, two columns, pointed accordingly. Your X and Y coordinates pointed accordingly. That is how you are able to create this. Okay, I'm so sorry I said count plot. It is basically a histogram. Okay, just forget about count plots. Understand, these are histograms itself. These are histograms. These are your plots. Okay, point plots that we are having. These are your point plots are that is having right over here. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Good. Now to create this is extremely simple. You guys are going to use SNS. So what is the full form of SNS, guys? Could you guys let me know? What is the full form of SNS? Could you guys let me know, guys? Via few represented as histograms and few represented and others represented as scatter plots. So the histograms are represented by the when both of the x and y axis are the same. So here the x axis is also crime, the y axis is also crime. So having a point plot of crime versus crime does not make any sense. It will be a straight line. There's no sense of that. That is the reason why instead of having a point plot right over there, you get a histogram of crime. You get a histogram of crime itself. Okay. Yes, that means whenever the correlation is 1, it is represented by histogram. Easier way of understanding is whenever the x and the y axis are the same columns, then you're getting a histogram. Okay. Great. So yes, SNS basically means your C-bond. Okay, SNS basically means your C-bond. So C-bond dot pair plot, that is the code that you have to write. Okay, DF is basically what is the data that you want to use. So DF is the data frame that we want to use right over here. And size goes to 5. Let us increase that to 20. Let us increase that to 20 and run this particular line of code once again. So it will give us a very big image. Yeah, I think so. It will give us a extremely big image. It's as you're able to see, it is still executing it. It has been executing it for 10 seconds, 11 seconds, 12 seconds. It will take a lot of time to create a diagram of size 20. Let us see how much time it takes to create that graph for us. It has taken almost 30 seconds to create the graph. I think so. It is very big for it to create. Okay, we'll wait for 30 more seconds to see if it gets created or not. If it does not, we'll just take it up for 5 seconds itself. Okay, we'll just take it up for 5 seconds. I think so. The thing is extremely huge. Okay. Yes, Sarang, Manoj, we'll be mentioning that the bootcamp will be of 10 days. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. I will take both the boot camps together, Kamal. You don't have to worry. You just have to focus upon the things. Okay. Yes, sir. I also tried these block of code takes like 2 minutes. Okay. So I think so. We'll have to wait for 50 more seconds right now. How will you take React Bootcamp if this is not completed? Kamal, you don't have to worry about it, right? I have to worry about it. You just be prepared to study as much as possible. Okay. So how much days of attendance to maintain? See, if you guys are having like 1 day of holiday, and that's fine. Okay, if you are missing up on one attendance, but that we can manage. But if you are missing out on more number of days of attendance, then we are not going to help you guys out. So what about the certificates? Of course, after completing the bootcamp, I can send you the certificates, right? In the middle of the bootcamp, how can I send you the certificates? Sir, should we as programmers be afraid of chat GPT? It's eating jobs and market. See, as programmers, if you are afraid of chat GPT, you are an idiot. That is the reason why you are afraid of chat GPT. That would be my basic analysis of the saying. Okay, it is just impossible to be okay, so it has generated a shitty quality chart for us. Okay, it's extremely shit. We are not able to see anything. I think so having a size of 5 was much more comfortable for us. At least we were able to see something. Okay. So I'll just reload it at the end. Okay. So is it possible to do EDA as a college project? Yes, sure, you can do that. See, if you're not from a very good college, they will not even know what EDA is. So you can easily do that. Okay. How much maths is required as a data scientist? See, at least statistics is required. At least. Okay, at the bare minimum, if I'm talking about, you should be very good at statistics. Okay. So we got only one certificate from DevTown for data visualization. Deepapya, I think so. The certificate from Microsoft has been released. See, these certificates come from Google's and Microsoft's end. So whatever time they are taking it. I cannot help it out in that. But yes, within a week itself, you get all the certificates. There will be 2 to 3 more days of this bootcamp classes. We will be extending this bootcamp by 9 to 10 days. Again, so total number of days will be 9 to 10. Okay. Okay, so we are completed with running this particular line. Let's move on for a box plot. Okay, so what is a box plot? Let's try to understand it. Okay, so sometimes in your life, you guys know about like 25th percentile, 50th percentile, and 90th percentile? Okay, do you guys understand what is percentile? Please do let me know. Do you guys understand what is percentile? Please do let me know, guys. If you guys don't know what is percentile, dude, like everybody should know what is percentile. It is taught to you guys in like third or fourth standard. Okay. So when you take out a ranking, okay, when you take out a ranking of something, so how many people are within the 90th percentile out of it? You must have heard, right? The nth part of total, okay, the nth part of total, 90% of the total itself. Okay, so these type of percentiles that are there, if you guys don't know, please study about it tonight. Okay, and then try to understand this once again, but you guys should be able to understand it. So a good answer has been given up by Vinash Kumar. Each of the 100 equal groups into which a population can be divided according to the distribution of values of a particular variable. That's an extremely good like analysis of the same. Okay, so like I said, it is extremely important for you guys to understand. Okay, and to be able to see, so 95 percentile that exists, beyond that whatever exists, okay, the last 5 percentile are basically called as outliers. Okay, outliers that are not following the normal conventions or normal trends that are there. Yes, guys, I remember that I have a surprise for you guys today. Okay, you guys don't have to worry about it. I remember that I have a surprise for. So today, do you want me to give this surprise, or do you want me to continue with the class itself? Okay, do you want me to give the surprise? Like, I'm also very like interested into giving the surprise itself. And like I said, the bootcamp is going to be increased by 3 days itself, because there's a lot of different things that we have to study. Okay, we are going to learn a lot, and that is the reason why, to make sure that you guys are able to understand every concept very clearly, I'm increasing the number of days for this bootcamp. Otherwise, if I wanted, I would have completed the entire project today itself, but I don't want that. Okay, okay, so the surprise. Let's continue with the surprise itself. So there are two surprises that are there. Okay, two surprises that are there. The first surprise is, do you guys have heard about GitHub? Okay, how many of you guys have heard about GitHub, guys? Please let me know. How many of you guys have heard about GitHub? Please let me know. Have you guys heard about GitHub, guys? So our official collaboration with GitHub has happened right now. Okay, we will be conducting some other events on top of the bootcamp. So right now we are just having bootcamps that we are able to conduct. Okay, on top of that, GitHub is currently sponsoring us to create some free career counseling sessions, and that is going to happen like a weekly basis. Like that will be free career counseling sessions that will be there, and GitHub has sponsored us and collaborated with us to provide certificates to every single student via GitHub. Just like you're receiving Google certificate and Microsoft certificate right now, you'll also be receiving GitHub certificates when you attend these career counseling sessions. So that has already gone through. Our plan was to actually collaborate with Amazon as well, but that plan is not going through. It is taking a lot of time than anticipated. But again, another company that is currently interested into giving you guys a certificate, means for the boot camps and for the career counseling sessions, is basically Postman. So Postman is one of the leading API companies in the entire world. Every single company, whether it is Google, Microsoft, Amazon, is losing Postman at the end of the day. So they are also, we are in talks with them as well to provide you guys with more number of certificates. That is the first surprise that I had for you guys, and I'm extremely proud of this particular fact that we are the first companies in the entire world that is able to deliver such a promise. So I hope to see you guys soon in a boot camp or in a particular class that is being sponsored by GitHub in the next 15 or 20 days itself. Okay, so that would be amazing, and I want you guys to get as many certificates as possible, because at the end of the day, yes, certificates have some value if you have the right experience related to it. So let's try to make sure that we are able to collaborate with as many companies as possible. Okay, so that was my first surprise, and I hope that you guys liked it. Okay, okay. So once you are able to like it as well, that's great. Okay. And I hope that I continuously have your support moving further, because at the end of the day, guys, it's not up to us. Okay. The support and the love that you guys are able to showcase, that is what is able to bring these new companies back to us. Otherwise, these companies won't be able to come to us, right? These companies would never be coming to us if students like you are not joining DevTown at the end. Okay, so we are extremely proud of this, and we hope that we will be able to see you guys in the future projects once again, guys. Okay, we are trying to make sure that Amazon also gets onboarded very soon. They were going to get onboarded on 1st of Jan itself, but because of a lot of reasons, they have delayed the entire process. We are continuously rubbing our butts off to make sure that they are able to join us as soon as possible. So because these Amazon has hired almost, like, over the span of 2.5 years, we have given almost 200 250 students that they have hired from DevTown. They've had 200 250 students in the past 1.5 years from us. And on top of it, they are currently providing the 1 month guaranteed internship to all our training and internship students. Okay. So that thing that is there, I want them to be able to, like, give something to our bootcamp students as well. But let's see how that goes on. Okay. I'm trying my best. I hope that I also have your own support as well for the same. Okay. Okay. Okay, so the second surprise that I have you for you guys itself is, on 1st of Jan we stopped taking in students for our 1 month guaranteed internship and the 3 months, so a total 1 month guaranteed internship program that we were having. Okay, so right now we are having a particular program. Let me just show it to you guys. Give me a second. So we have a program in which we have three programs. Okay, the data analyst program, the full stack program, and the cybersecurity program. And these are the companies that are currently providing 1 month of guaranteed internship to all our students. All our students, no matter if they are from IT, they are not from IT, if they are from civil, chemical, mechanical, they are from BSc, MSc, they are from commerce, they are from metallurgy, no matter what. So for data analysts, we have companies like Cognizant, Deloitte, BCG, KPMG, Tata, Accenture, and British Airways providing 1 month of guaranteed unpaid internship with them. Okay, 1 month of guaranteed unpaid internship with these companies, wherein the student is able to make the decision where he or she wants to intern with. At the end, they get the certificates out of it as well. Similar to that, you are having for full stack web development, we have companies like Cisco, Commonwealth Bank, JP Morgan and Chase, Lyft, Amazon as well. Here they are there, but for bootcamp, they are not agreeing to it. I'm trying to make sure that I'm able to bring them for bootcamps as well. Here they are: Amazon, Walmart, Accenture, Infosys, HP, are providing 1 month guaranteed internship to all our students. Okay, and then you are having your cybersecurity and software engineering, where MasterCard is the only company that does not hire from any place, and they are currently hiring from our DevTown portal. So MasterCard, ANZ, JP Morgan and Chase, are PwC, is providing a cybersecurity 1 month guaranteed internship to our students, an unpaid guaranteed internship to our students. And we are extremely proud of this fact, because the students who are doing good in these unpaid internships are actually getting placed as well directly. So we have a lot of different students that are currently being placed from our end. So let me show it to you guys. I hope that now it is not buffering, guys. I hope that now it is not buffering. Please let me know. I hope that it is not buffering, guys. Please let me know. It's okay. There's no issues, right, guys? It's okay, right? There is no issues with the stream right now. I think so. There was some issues with the internet due to which the stream got lagged. I don't know why it was happening, but I have rectified it. I had to restart it once again. That's one of the biggest problems with OBS, that sometimes it just stops working without giving you a warning. Yeah. So yeah, that is what I was saying, guys. If still you are facing any problems with the lag, just try to refresh the website. I think so it should be working after that itself. I'm so sorry for the lag that was there. Okay, I try to rectify it as soon as possible. Okay, so like I said, guys, these companies that you are able to see on my screen are currently providing all our students that are currently registering for the training and internship a remote and online 1 month guaranteed unpaid internship program. Okay, guaranteed internships with one of these companies. I can even show you guys the I think so. I should be having the PP certificate as well. Let me show it to you guys. So this is the certificate that you receive after the completion of the 1 month guaranteed internship. So, for example, data analyst consulting virtual internship by KPMG of 1 month internship. What have you done in this 1 month internship, and everything is being provided to you guys. Okay. So that is what you are getting at the end of the training, at the end of the internship itself. Yes, you can join the internship in your first year, second year, third year, fourth year. The point is that we currently have this because the companies have done the first time. They are do not provide it anywhere else. They are providing it for the very first time at DevTown because of just one thing, that is the quality of students that we were able to get placed in these companies are to the level of what these companies are actually expecting. So these companies actually want you guys to work with them so that they are able to hire you guys easily. At the end of the day, our main aim is to make sure that you guys get hired. You guys are able to get a job at the end. So for that particular reason, this is something that we are able to do. Okay, so what we do is, first of all, we train you guys. So if you're doing well in this 1 month internship, okay, and this 1 month internship that is there, if your guys are doing good in that, please listen to this very carefully. Then every student gets the opportunity to intern with one of these companies. Every student, and these companies, you guys choose which company you want to intern with. But if you're doing good in that internship, then you guys get placements, you guys get paid internships, you guys get freelancing work via these companies as well. At the end of the day, you guys get an opportunity to actually intern with these companies, and then a chance, okay, to get placed right over there as well. To be able to do good in these internships itself, what we do is, DevTown first trains you for 3 months. Okay, we will be training you for 3 months continuously in whatever field that you choose. For example, the current fields that are available is full stack, data science, and cybersecurity. Let's assume that I have chosen full stack web development. Let's assume that. So I will be trained in full stack web development. I will be taught the basics. Okay, I don't need to learn anything. I will be taught everything from the basics itself. I'll be taught React.js. I'll be taught Merge stack. I'll be taught DevOps. I'll be taught cloud computing. On top of it, I will be taught C++, Java, data structures and algorithms, and competitive programming as well. So all these topics that are there, that will be taught to the students for 3 months, and they will have lifetime access to all the courses. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. You will have lifetime access to all the courses, and then you will be having your 1 month internship. The internship, everything that is teaching, everything will be online. Everything will be happening online itself. They will be even the 1 month guaranteed internship will be online. Okay, will be online itself. So what we do is, like I said, as in DevTown is a non-profit organization. Okay, DevTown is a non-profit organization, and we don't charge, okay, for anything that we do. Our boot camps are for free, our any type of events that we organize are for free. I don't charge for anything, but because of these training programs that are there, I need to keep up teaching assistants who are able to solve your doubts. We need to build up the videos, we need to maintain them. There are some hosting costs that are there, so for that particular reason we only charge a basic amount so that we are able to pay the people right over here. The cost of the 3 months of training program, in which after the end of the training program you guys also get a 3 months of internship letter from DevTown as well, and then 1 month of guaranteed internships. Guaranteed, there are no tests, no interviews of any particular sort. It's a 1 month guaranteed internship that is there with one of these companies, and I've already shown you guys the certificate that will be issued by these companies as well. This is an example certificate from these companies. Let me just open it for you guys. Okay, there is no qualifications required for the internships or anything. These guys are only looking for your skill set and your knowledge itself. The cost for the entire training as well as the internship is just 3,500 rupees, including taxes. Okay, including taxes. That is the cost for the entire 3 months internship and 1 month of guaranteed internship as well. 3 months of training and 1 month of guaranteed internship. We don't charge anything else on top of it. This is just to make sure that we are able to pay the teaching assistants, we are able to pay the hosting charges and everything. Okay, so that is what. So I want to understand, see, we only have 60 seats available right now. The companies give us a proper number of seats itself that we can take. We cannot take in any more students on top of it. We don't we are a non-profit organizations, we don't take up more number of students. We just have a fixed number of students itself that we can take up. Now, for example, you can do this particular training program at any particular point of time, okay, because it's a self-paced training program. Okay, it's a self-paced training program. Okay, there is no live classes. We have a live class module as well, but this is a self-paced training program. Okay, diploma students can join. Okay, any student can join. Okay, the point is you can join at any particular point of time as well, but the number of seats is 60. For example, let's assume that I want to do the internship, 1 month internship in December next year. Okay, this year 2023 December, I want to do the internship itself, but I don't know if I will be having seats at that point of time. You can enroll yourself right now. Okay, you can make sure that you are enrolling right now. You can prepare for like the next 9 months, and then you can give the internship in December. There's no issues in that. There's no issues in that. But I only have 60 students itself. We have students from, we don't take in students from Pakistan. That is not something that we do, because there is no way of enrolling students from Pakistan. We have students from Nigeria, we have students from USA, UK, we have students from UAE, we have students from Nepal, we have students from Sri Lanka, we have students from India. Most of our students are from India itself. So can you guys let me know how many of you guys are interested to join the program? Can you guys let me know how many of you guys are interested to join the program, guys? Because like I said, you have to join immediately. Okay, you cannot enroll in the next month or 2 months after that or 3 months. You will have to enroll right now, because I only have 60 seats that are available right now. I don't have a single seat more, and if there are more than 60 students that are there, it's basically first come first basis. Okay, it's basically first come first basis, guys. Okay, and for those guys who are interested in this, the cost is 3,500 rupees that you will have to fix it up in the next 7 days, because the batch is going to start in 7 days. You can do the internship after 1 year as well. That is totally up to you, but the batch is going to start from the next 7 days itself. Okay, you can do it at any particular point of time. The training, you can do it at any particular point of time. The internship, you can do it at any particular point of time, but you will have to join the batch in the next 7 days. I'm able to see a lot many of you guys are interested. So let's do one thing. Okay, let's do one thing. You guys can right now, you guys can enroll into the program. Okay, what I will do for you is, first, because I want to make sure that you guys are interested in that. I don't want to take up students who are not interested in this, because this is basically a 1 month guaranteed internship that is coming. Okay, this is a 1 month guaranteed internship that is coming right over here. Okay, So this is something that we want to do. And so let's do one thing. Okay, we will have a pre-registration. Okay, so the cost of the program is 3,500 rupees for those who are interested into joining the program. Okay, for those who are interested into joining the program, these guys can right now enroll yourself by paying 500 rupees. I'll send you guys a link for the same. Okay, you guys can enroll yourself by paying 500 rupees right now, and you guys can join. Okay, you guys can join the program at a later point of time. So what you can do is the rest of the amount you can pay it in the next 7 days. Okay, the rest of the amount you can pay in the next 7 days itself to make sure that you are into the program. So I will share the link with you guys, those who are interested. Okay, those who are interested to join the program, I'm putting up the link in the live chat. The fees is 3,500 rupees. Okay, the fees is 3,500 rupees itself. Okay, the fees is 3,500 rupees right now. Okay, and the internship is 100% guaranteed. Okay, the internship is 100% guaranteed itself. For those guys who want to join the live training and internship, okay, for those guys who want to join the live training and internship, the cost is 7,500 rupees. Those who want to join the pre-recorded training and internship, the cost is 3,500 rupees. For both of them, the 1 month guaranteed internship is there. Okay, if you guys are in the first year, if you guys are in the second year, third year, fourth year, everything you can join right now. There's no issues in that. We have students who are joining us from every single year. Okay, so the remaining amount will be 3,000. That's right, Will. If you are paying right now 500 rupees, then the rest of the amount will be 3,000 that you will have to pay in the next 7 days. The total Okay, I think so. Now it is working right now. I don't think so. There should be any issues right now. Okay, I think so. There should be any issues right now, right, guys? Please let me know. All clear. There's no issues, right? I don't know why the internet has stopped working in the middle itself. Yes, even if you are in college in the first year, you are like, it's a guaranteed internship, guys. Okay, at the end of the day, it's a guaranteed internship. Okay, there's a guaranteed internship, guys. The internship, you can choose the internship in data analytics, you can choose the internship in full stack web development, or you can choose the internship in cyber security as well. The internship will also be conducted in the online mode. Okay, the internship will also be conducted in the online mode itself. For those guys, okay, are the internships offered for international students? Yes, it is offered for international students as well. Yes, diploma students can also join. Okay, for those guys who are interested into the program, you guys can go ahead and register yourself right now. Okay, one of our representatives will be contacting you guys soon. Okay, the pre-registration is 500 rupees. After that, the rest of the amount is 3,000 rupees. The difference between the 3,000 rupees program and the 7,000 rupees is just in the 3,000 rupees, it's all recorded. In the 7,000 rupees, it is all for like live itself. Okay, yes, even for a commerce student is eligible for the internship. Like I said, every student who is interested for the 1 month guaranteed internship, you guys can join right now. Okay, yes, Anya Sharma, if you enroll now and pay like register yourself within the next 7 days, and you can do the course after 1 or 2 months as well. There is no issues in that. No, 10 standard students are not allowed for the internship. 10 standard students are not allowed for the internship itself. Okay, like I said, 10 standard students are not allowed for the internship. Is there a deadline for the pre-registration? The deadline for the pre-registration, we only have 60 seats. As soon as the 60 seats are getting filled up, we'll not be able to take in any more students. Okay, and we just have 60 seats. If more than 60 people are coming in, will not be able to take you up for the same. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, we only have 60 seats and we have to work with that. Okay, so there are only 60 seats that are available. I gave you guys. This is the link right over here. Okay, the 1 month guaranteed internship. There will be no exams, no interviews, nothing. It will be a 1 month guaranteed internship itself. Okay, it will be unpaid online 1 month guaranteed internship by these companies. Okay, I've sent you guys a new payment link. Okay, what if more than 60 students pay 500 now? So the last 10 people who are paying it, those who are not completing their registrations in the next 7 days, will just be refunding their entire amount back, because we can only take 60 people. We can't take more number of people than that. Okay, we only have 60 people. Like I said, this is a non-profit organization. We just charge you guys what is the cost occurring to us. We don't charge anything else. Okay. So like I said, those guys who are interested into the program, they can register themselves right now. Or else if you guys are having some questions or queries, you guys can reach out to us on our WhatsApp number as well. Okay. I've already provided you guys with our WhatsApp number. You guys can reach out to us on that. Okay, if you guys have any questions, any queries, you can reach out to us on this particular number. Like I said, guys, the cost of the entire program is 3,500 rupees. If you guys have any questions or any queries, you can contact us on this particular number and we will be helping you guys out with the same. Okay, the difference between the 3,500 and the 7,500 rupees program is very simple. In the 3,500 rupees, the classes are recorded. Okay, and the 7,500 rupees, there will be a one particular person from a big MNC who will be teaching you guys every single day on Zoom classes live. That is the only difference. Okay, so I've already provided you guys. If you guys have any questions or queries, you guys can reach out to us on this particular number. We only have 60 seats. We won't be taking any more students than that. Okay, we only have 60 seats. You'll have to register yourself in the next 7 days itself. We cannot take in any more students after that as well. Okay. Yeah, and the domains are data science, full stack, and cybersecurity. Okay, I will be giving you guys the attendance link for today right now. I'll giving you guys the attendance link for right now, guys. If you guys are interested into the training and internship program, you can message us on the WhatsApp number. We'll be helping you guys out in the same. And if you're interested in that, just fill out this particular form, like I said. Okay, just fill out this particular form, like I said, and you can just select full stack, data science, or cybersecurity. One of our representatives will just reach out to you to help you guys out. Okay, as simple as that. So please make sure that when you are filling up the attendance, it is properly done. Okay, do not do it improperly. Today the attendance link will be open for the next 2 hours. Okay, you guys can fill up the attendance link for the next 2 hours itself. Okay, and fill out the attendance for the next 2 hours. See, any student who wants to get an internship into a company like Amazon or something like that, you guys can enroll for that. Okay, we will be teaching you guys everything and anything. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, I'm interested in live training program. How should I enroll in it? You can pay the 500 rupees right now. In the next 7 days, you can enroll yourself, whether for these like pre-recorded sessions or for the live sessions as well. We will be helping you guys out with the same. Okay, like I said, I've already provided you guys the attendance link as well. You guys can fill out your attendance link. The attendance link will be open for the next 2 hours, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, for those guys who want to join the training and internship program, if you have any questions or queries, you can reach out to us on this particular number and we will be helping you guys out. Okay, we will be helping you guys out right over there. Santosh, you will be added to a Discord channel very soon, and there your doubts will be solved. You don't have to worry about it. How many hours of classes that will be there? So it is a pre-recorded session, guys. You can, how much hours that you want to spend on it, you can do that. Okay. For those students who are interested into the 3,500 rupees program, you can reach out to us, okay, on this particular WhatsApp number, and we'll be helping you guys out with that. If you guys want to pre-register yourself, I've already given you guys the pre-registration link as well. This is the pre-registration link. You guys can pre-register yourself right now, and our person will be contacting you soon, okay. I'm from a non-technical background, no issues in that. Like I said, any student who is interested, they can register themselves for now, okay? Because there is no way of, yes, Pakistani students cannot join the training program due to one particular reason, that Indian government has many restrictions on financial transactions between Pakistan and India. That is the reason why. Okay, what all things will be covered in the data science course? We'll be covering Python, we'll be covering data analytics, we'll be covering SQL, we'll be covering statistics, 18 machine learning algorithms, and 6 deep learning algorithms that will be there. Okay, are you the tutor of this training? Me as well as 2-3 other instructors will be there. So there will be multiple instructors. Is this internship beneficial for mechanical engineers too? Shashwat, if you are planning to shift to IT at any particular point of time, if you want to join an IT company, even being from mechanical, yes, this is definitely very important for you. Okay. Vipin Thakur, like I have already said, you can pay the 500 rupees right now, and our representative, when he will be calling you, can just inform them that you want to join the live training. As simple as that. Okay. So in dollars, if I'm thinking about it, I think so it's like $50 or $58 itself. Okay. Like I said, Shashwat, if you are planning to join an IT company, yes, it is important for you to join. Okay. In the data analyst training program, we teach you guys Python, SQL, okay, statistics, data analytics, 18 machine learning algorithms, and 6 deep learning algorithms itself. Okay. So for those who want to join the training and internship program, I've already provided you guys with the registration link, as well as if you guys have any questions or queries, you can reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number, and we will be helping you guys out with the same itself. Okay, like I said, if you guys have any questions or queries, you can reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number. So we'll be meeting tomorrow, and we'll be continuing the class from right over there. Okay, the course is for 3 months, and then 1 month of guaranteed internship with one of these companies that you have to choose. Okay, so that is totally up to you guys. So thank you so much, guys. Any questions or queries that you are having, you can reach out to this particular WhatsApp number. Either me or somebody from my team will be answering your questions, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, for networking, you can join the cybersecurity program. That will be the best for you. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, and we'll be meeting tomorrow. The cost of the program is 3,500 rupees, and if you are registering yourself in the 7 days, that is when we will be considering that. We have only 60 seats to be considered right over there. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Thank you. If you have any questions or queries, you can reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number itself. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.